Good morning, students. We are on chapter 3 of account part 2, that is provision and reserve. In this lecture, we are going to talk about the difference between general reserve and provision. Difference between general reserve and provision. First point, purpose. The purpose of creating general reserve is to increase financial soundness of the business or to meet with the contingent expenses. Yes, we have seen in the meaning. And provision is made for the special purpose of meeting with the known probable liability or losses, provision for depreciation, provision for bad debts, etc. Okay, so purpose of reserve is to create what? Financial soundness, is to increase financial soundness. And the purpose of provision is to meet known probable liability or losses. Second point, from which account is appropriated. So we have learned in the theory of meaning that general reserve is created out of profit and loss appropriation account and provision is created out of profit and loss account. So difference is general reserve from profit and loss appropriation and provision from profit and loss account. Then third point, voluntary or mandatory. So friends, reserves are not voluntary, are not mandatory, but provisions are mandatory. An amount is appropriated to general reserve only if there is profit at the end of accounting year and it is voluntary. So reserve is created only if there is profit, but provision is made even if there is loss at the end of accounting year. Okay, so reserves are voluntary, provisions are mandatory. Next, use. General reserve can be used for any purpose. Provision can be used for the purpose for which it is created. Okay, so general reserve can be used for any purpose, but provision for that purpose only for which it is created. Investment. General reserve can be invested in business or outside the business, but provision cannot be invested in business or outside the business. Right? Next, dividend. General reserve can be used for the distribution of dividend, but provision can never be used for the distribution of dividend. Presentation in accounts. General reserve is shown in balance sheet on liability side under the heading of reserves and surplus, whereas provision is shown in balance sheet on the liability side. Provisions against an asset is shown by deducting from respective asset on asset side. So provision, if it is against asset, it will be shown by deducting from the asset, or else provisions will be shown at the liability side. But all the reserves are shown at liability side under the heading of reserves and surplus. So friends, this was about the difference between general reserve and provision. Next lecture we will be doing the difference between general reserve and capital reserve. Thank you.